What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Bitcoin getting rejected not once, not twice, but the third time right here at this exact $79,000 level. What does this mean for Bitcoin? Please keep in mind, guys, that we are in this bear flag still. If we take a look at this exactly right here, and again, a bear flag usually does in fact have a break towards the downside, and we are still in this bear flag right here. Yes, we do have a lot of liquidations to be happening above 80K in this range right here. However, I still believe we are going to go to the downside. I want to talk about that in today's video. I want to talk about this ever looming CME gap as well. We're going to take a look at my trade. We're going to take a look at a 14-point peace plan, which the US have in fact been reviewing as of right now from Iran. We're going to talk about this insider data right here, the funding rate, Bitcoin history. We're going to take a look at all that in today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. A very happy Sunday. It's 8:45 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I'm in the charts taking a look at what is going on to hopefully inform you about this for today on this beautiful Sunday. And again, guys, if you've got a spare 2 seconds, drop a like down below on today's video. That will be amazing. And if you got another 2 seconds spare during this Sunday, drop a comment down below and it will enter you to win $100. Tomorrow is Monday, and that is giveaway day. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. If you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Let's take a look at the chart, guys. Let's start by probably taking a look on the hourly time frame right here, because it looks like once again we have in fact got rejected. Yesterday's video I was making, it was around about here, saying that probably will pump up, but most likely get rejected, maximum worst case up here. But again, we have not even reached this previous level right here. We can see this level right here was a big level of support right here, all the way back here since the 26th, or sorry, the 2nd of April. We can see just how many times we have touched it. I mean, I don't need to highlight it. You can see exactly how many times we have in fact touched it. And again, we cannot even meet that level of resistance right now. We are just simply getting capped at around 79K, around about that range. So when we are seeing rejections like this right here, it's just not building strength. And each time we see a rejection, the Bitcoin price comes back down and goes to lower price levels. However, we need to understand we are still in a bear flag. I feel like people are forgetting about this bear flag a little bit because we've been in it so long right now. And if we take a look at the measured move from this bear flag right here, we can see it's putting us all the way down here at $40,000. And again, I don't think we're going to drop to $40,000 in my opinion. If we take a look at where I actually think we're going to drop, it would be right here to around $48,000, somewhere in the range of this 350 to 200 moving average, somewhere in that range right now before the price drops any further. I really don't think we're going to go much lower than that. We do also have this massive CME gap, which I'm talking about. Again, I talked about it in yesterday's video because I am a little bit worried about it. We do have all of that liquidations above $80,000 right here, guys, and I am a little bit worried that this CME gap, it needs to go up to 84K to close. We've got rejected numerous times right here, and we've not really come too close to it. We've not even crossed 80K. And if we do cross 80K, there will be hundreds of millions of dollars liquidated in the market like that. And again, what I've been saying every video is the same thing I've been saying once again. I think we are going lower, but just be careful that we don't push up to 84K and wick back down, because in crypto and Bitcoin, they like to have, or then there usually is the maximum amount of pain caused. What will be the maximum amount of pain caused? In all the videos, I've showed you the CME gap is there. In all the videos, I've showed you that 80K is a line where if we go above that, there's a lot of liquidations to be had in this range right here. So the most probable thing and the maximum amount of pain to happen would be to wick up to 80 and dump, or even worse, wick up to 84 and dump. So I think probably that is going to happen. It's not going to happen today. Don't worry. You cannot look at the charts. It's a Sunday. I've taken a look at it for you, but I really think that is going to happen. Again, I'm still in my trade, negative 5.6K. Previously, just a few days ago, this was up 8K. Now I'm negative 5.6K. You need to have a strong mind if you are a trader and believe in your plan. Do not get emotional. People may have got emotional when they saw negative 1, 2K. However, I am sticking in this trade. I understand my thesis of what could happen. And yes, if we were to go up to 84K, I would in fact be liquidated. We can see exactly my liquidation price right there. I'm super, super transparent and honest with you guys. I'm not trying to hide anything. I would get liquidated. So I need to put a plan of action in. Today's a Sunday, so probably the markets won't move too much. So I'll probably do it tomorrow. Again, it's around a $360,000 trade I am in right now. So if you did want to go ahead and join Ubit, guys, there is a link down below. And currently right now, you can get an instant VIP 2 upgrade for your account. So it means you're going to get massive savings on trading fees. Trading fees can be expensive over the course of a few months or years if you are trading. So why not go ahead and get VIP 2 instantly using my link down below. You can also get a free $100 as well if you deposit $100 and trade 10K volume. So it sounds like a lot, 10K volume, but it's not, because when you're trading with $100 and you're using leverage, it's much easier to reach that volume requirement to get that bonus. And again, if you are money bags, there's up to $50,000 bonus as well. All you have to do is scroll down on today's video and go ahead and join right there. Ubit right there, instant VIP 2, cryptojack.exchange/Ubit. That is the easiest place to go ahead and join it. I do also have a signals group, guys, if you were interested, completely for free for now. There's around 500 members in here, and we can see we post trades exactly like this, 1,500% long position on Rave. If we scroll down some of the numbers, we've got ZEC there, right there. If we go down, this trade went even further, up to 75% profit. Another BSB right there, 30% in profit. And you can see exactly right there, it actually ended up being 120% profitable trade. So this group is open for free for a limited time only. The link is also down below. If you wanted to join, you can join Chart Chasers right there. It is a Telegram group. I want to talk about this, guys, because of course it has a lot of significance for the markets and the world as well. If you're living in this world, some people in this world, I think they're not living in this world, but that's a topic for another day. We can see Iran authorities have sent a 14-point peace plan to the US. And yes, I'm aware there's only 7 points here. However, I couldn't find every 14, and these are probably the most important ones. So withdrawal of American forces, lifting of the naval blockade, unfreezing of assets, possible compensation, lifting of sanctions, cease of all hostilities in all fronts, including Lebanon, and a new shipping rule to be added to the Strait of Hormuz. And honestly, I think it's very unreasonable. Let me know down below in the comment section. If you got a spare couple of seconds, you can like the video, drop a comment down below about the Bitcoin price or about this new 14-point peace plan. I think it's honestly unreasonable, and I really don't think America are going to go ahead and accept this peace plan, to be honest. I mean, they don't like the fact that Iran will make money from this strait. Also, they're not probably going to lift all the sanctions. I think it's just unrealistic, and when America goes ahead and rejects it, we could see some kind of a rejection in the price. But again, we saw a pump in the price possibly because of this 14-point peace plan and potential positivity in the market. However, I don't think that is the case. If we are taking a look at this as well, it's the Bitcoin monthly candlesticks. And again, I told you in yesterday's video that each bear market, we had 2 bullish monthly candlesticks, and then we went ahead and saw a dump. I can show you that exact thing right now. We can see right here, guys, previously in the last bull market right here into the bear market, we had 2 bullish closes right there, one in February, one in March 2022. And again, right now we are having the same thing, 1 bullish close right there, another bullish close. And again, the 3rd candlestick monthly, we have not closed in a bull market, in a bear market, sorry. And again, the thing that happened was a massive dump towards the downside, finding bear market bottoms right there. And again, the same exact thing could happen right here. And this chart right here is showing that we've got the lowest dollar of volume in Bitcoin since December 2023. This is ridiculous. 2.53 years ago, we have not had this volume, and it's absolutely ridiculous. There is an all-time low of interest. I don't know if you watch every video, but a few days ago, I showed you a chart which shows YouTuber view counts. It's on a chart, and it literally hasn't been the same since pretty much the peak bull market of 2021. It never really recovered, and we never really even had a bull market this cycle. Altcoins didn't even break all-time highs, most of them. Bitcoin did, yes, but many of you I know are stacked into alts. If you would like altcoin videos, let me know down below. I'm happy to make them, although alts right now are definitely not the best investment. Again, take a look at the funding rate. It is still majority negative. We can see right here, there are more people opening shorts than longs times right now. And if we take a look at this chart right here, we can see that we are in fact having a very positive March, a very positive April month right there, which I showed you right previously on the chart. And again, we have actually never had a 3-month bullish close in a bear market. Again, we can see previous bear market times, we have in fact never had a bullish 3 months. We can see right here 2022 we didn't have right there, and also previous bear markets we have never had 3 consecutive bullish monthly closes in those bear markets. And again, I think the same thing will happen once again, exactly like it did back there, and that is exactly what I am preparing for, because I really think we are going to play out into this flag right here. If I can find it exactly right here on the daily chart, I really think we are going to play out into this bear flag, and it's going to shock a lot of people. We're going to see the price dump towards the downside. Again, if we take a look at the weekly chart, if you don't think this is a bear market, again, take your hand, put it on your face with a bit of aggression, and hopefully you wake up and understand that we are in a bear market. And during bear markets, things do in fact happen to try and trick you, to try and trap you. You can see it exactly right there. Yes, we did have a new all-time high, but more importantly right there, we did pump up and get rejected. Right here, pumped up and got rejected. These things happen, and probably in 6 months' time, we're going to look back and think, wow, what a trap that was. We pumped up, got rejected, pumped up, got rejected, all the way down to around 50K, my bear market price target. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, if you wanted to join Ubit, go ahead and click the link down below. Again, deposit $100, reach that trading volume, and also instantly get VIP too. It's an amazing thing. Also down below, don't forget chart chasers. If you did want to get those signals right there, again, we can see some crazy trades in here. Thousands of % of profit are being made in there completely for free. It is a premium group, however, so probably in the next week or two, I will be closing it. So go ahead and join Chart Chasers right there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have an amazing Sunday. I'm going to be watching the Manchester United Liverpool game later. That will be amazing. I'm hoping for a win for Man United. If you're a Liverpool fan, well, I'm sorry, not the best season for you. But hey, that is football. And guys, I'll catch you in the next video.